Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. My dear students, welcome to Al Huda School. And today we are going to start our fourth lecture of English literature. And my name is Muhammad Asif Musa Mansoor. And right now we are dealing to O Level 3. My dear students, the book which we are following here is Oxford International English, and here we go with the story of unit number 1. Stories with familiar settings. Continued. On his way home from school, Abdullah is looking out of the window of the bus. He sees a butterfly flying. He sees a beautiful butterfly and decides to go get off. He sees a beautiful butterfly and decides to get off the bus. Now, in the previous lecture, I told you that Abdullah is a boy. He goes to school and his grandfather, he mumbles something in the ear of Abdullah, and he wants, grandfather, he wants to eat something, and to help his grandfather, Abdullah, he catches the butterfly. Now see what happens. After this school, he was going to home, and suddenly from the window of the bus he sees something and he decides to get off the bus. The butterfly. Abdullah leaped out of his seat. He grabbed up his bag and butterfly net and stumbled down the alley. "Wait," he said, "urgent. Let me off." "You sure?" asked the driver. "It's still a midway long walk home up to the mountain." But Abdullah nodded adamantly. He wanted to get off now. He waved to his friends hanging out of the windows and then ran back down the road to where he had seen the butterfly. Now, my dear students, for your easiness and for the easiness of the students who needs to, and for the and for the easiness of the students, I will translate this in Urdu so that people may understand it. यहाँ पर ये कह रहे हैं कि पहले अब्दुल्ला के जो ग्रैंडफादर थे, उन्होंने कहा कि बेटा, कान में कुछ कहा कि बेटा मुझे जो है वो खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए होगा। तो अब्दुल्ला जो है अब स्कूल से जब घर पर वापस आ रहा था तो उसने अपने बस की सीट पे बैठी हुई जो सामने वाली खिड़की है वहाँ से देखा कि खूबसूरत सी तितली वहाँ मौजूद है। तो अब्दुल्ला ने ये तय कर लिया कि मैं इस बस से नीचे उतरता हूँ और शायद उस तितली को पकड़ने की कोशिश करूँगा। कह रहे अब्दुल्ला नीचे की तरफ झुके, अपनी सीट पे से अपने बैग को उठाया, अपनी बटरफ्लाई नेट को उठाया और फिर वो जो है वो नीचे की तरफ जाना शुरू हो गया। उसने कहा, सबर सबर सबर, मुझे नीचे उतरने दो। ड्राइवर ने पूछा, क्या पक्का? अभी तो तुम्हारा बहुत दूर है घर, क्या अभी से उतरना है? तो अब्दुल्ला ने कहा यस, और वो नीचे पहाड़ियों की तरफ चला गया, उतर गया, मतलब बस से नीचे उतर गया। और फिर ये हुआ कि उसने अपने दोस्तों को जो है हाथ दिला के अल्लाह हाफ़िज़ किया, और अब वो उस जानिब जाना शुरू हो गया जहाँ पर उसने बटरफ्लाई को देखा था। He waved to his friends hanging out of the windows and ran back down the road to where he had seen the butterfly. Okay? Like a miracle, it was little dear rocking gently on a fern frond. He held his breath in wonder and excitement, and because this was the largest, most powerful butterfly of its kind he had ever seen. Abdullah stared almost in a trance as, with an upward sweep of his brilliant wings, the butterfly launched itself off the plant and into the flight. अब यहाँ पर कह रहे हैं कि जब वो बस से नीचे उतरा और वो उसी तरफ गया जहाँ पर उसने बटरफ्लाई को देखा था, तो कह रहे हैं कि एक मौजज़ा हो गया, यानी एक जादू हो गया, एक बेहतरीन पता नहीं क्या उसको लगना शुरू हो गया। तो उसने देखा कि जो है ना, वो जो बटरफ्लाई है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होकर उसको देखना शुरू कर दिया, क्योंकि वो बहुत खूबसूरत थी, बहुत परफेक्ट बटरफ्लाई थी और साथ साथ बहुत बड़ी बटरफ्लाई थी। उसने इससे पहले इतनी बड़ी बटरफ्लाई नहीं देखी थी। वो उसे गौर से देखता रहा और यानी हैरत ज़्यादा नज़रों से उसे देखता गया और उस बटरफ्लाई को देखा कि उसने अपने पर को फैलाया और बटरफ्लाई ने जो है ना अपनी उड़ान को भरा और उड़ान भरते भरते वो एक पौधे पे जाके, एक सामने कोई पौधा होगा वहाँ जाके उसने अपने आप को बिठा दिया, लॉन्च कर दिया, वहाँ बैठ गया। So this is the end of the continuation of the chapter. My dear friends, now we are going to the comprehension section. Point number A, which 3 sentences below are true? Now there are 4 sentences. The first sentence, Abdullah had to stay on the bus. Second, the butterfly landed on a fern. Third, Abdullah was amazed and excited. Fourth, Abdullah wanted to catch the butterfly. Now I have explained you in both the languages, Urdu and English, and in my previous lecture, the continuation of that, it will also help you to understand these 4 points, and it will be easier for you to decide whether the sentence is true or not. So do it yourself. In the same way, question number 2, I mean to say question number B, what do you think? Use phrases from the story to help with your answer. Why do you think Abdullah wanted to get off the bus? Very easy. Can you find words that describe the butterfly? Can you think of any others? Very easy. How do you think Abdullah felt when butterfly flew into the air? Like what happened when he landed or launched itself to the plant, and after that he might have started to fly. So what happened that time? Question number C, what about you? What do you think Abdullah did next? What would you have done if you were Abdullah? Now see, that was the situation in which Abdullah started to think about the butterfly. He saw a butterfly get off from the bus, went to the place where the butterfly was present, and he saw the beautiful butterfly with its largest wings launched on a tree and then fly. At the time when the butterfly was flying, what do you think Abdullah did next? What was the next step? First, he got off the bus. Okay, he got off the bus. After that, he went to the place where the butterfly was. Third, he started to stare that butterfly. Fourth, he was amazed and excited. He wanted to catch it. What Abdullah did next? What did he do? Think over that. So this is the end of our lecture of today's class of O Level 3. Jazakumullahu khair. I hope you have understood all the things. And I wish you all the best of luck. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.